Hey everybody, it's Christina Holloway here. Welcome back to Leadership Basics, where we cover the essential skills you need to stand out at work. Today we're talking about something every professional will face at some point: making decisions under pressure. Maybe you've been asked to weigh in during a meeting, you've been given a last-minute problem to solve, or your boss needs an answer right now. If you've ever frozen, overthought it, or made a choice just to keep people happy, this video is for you. All right, so let's dig in. Number one, shift your mindset from perfect to practical. The first thing to remember: most workplace decisions are not life or death. When you aim for perfect, you stall. When you aim for practical, you move forward. Instead of asking, "What's the perfect answer?" ask, "What's the best option with the information I have right now?" This keeps you from overthinking and helps you respond with confidence. Number two, use a simple decision framework. When you're under pressure, you need structure. Here's a quick 3-question filter. 1, goal. What are you trying to achieve? 2, options. What are 2 or 3 possible solutions? 3, impact. Which option gets us closer to the goal with the least negative consequences? By walking through this, even in your head, you show you've thought it through, even if the decision is fast. Number 3, stop people pleasing in the decision process. It's tempting to make decisions that keep everyone happy, but that's not always best for the business. Ask yourself, am I leaning toward this choice because it's easiest socially or because it's the best solution? Would I make the same choice if I didn't have to explain it to anyone? Your job isn't to please everyone. It's to make informed, responsible calls. Number 4, buy time without losing momentum. Sometimes the best decision is to pause briefly, but do it with intention. Instead of saying, "I don't know," try, "I want to make sure I give you the best recommendation. Can I confirm a couple of details and get back to you in 30 minutes? This shows you're thoughtful and still moving forward. Number 5, own your decision and communicate it clearly. Once you decide, commit. Communicate the decision clearly, explain the reasoning, and outline next steps. Even if it's not perfect, decisiveness builds trust. People would rather follow someone who makes clear calls than wait on someone who hesitates indefinitely. Stay away from answers like, "I don't know, maybe, I'm not sure, it's not my call." Making decisions under pressure is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier with practice. Focus on what matters. Use a simple framework and don't fall into the trap of people pleasing. Your leadership basics challenge for this week: the next time you get asked for a decision, try the 3-question filter before you answer. All right, so that's it for my leadership basics video on decision making under pressure. If you found this helpful, check out the other leadership basics videos on my channel. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when making decisions under pressure? And if you enjoyed watching this video and you found it helpful, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up by hitting that like button, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss another video from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next basics video. Bye.